So this is your kit for January, and we are going to take this two-part. One has the scoring on it. That is going to go in front of the unscored part, and you'll see this little jagged space at the top. And then I'm going to take the base and glue these two pieces together. And you just want to make sure the slats in the center line up. I get these little clamps from the Dollar Tree. They can become helpful. I'm going to take chocolate. I'm going to water it down using my sponge, and I'm going to cover the base. And the two pieces of trim I have here. I have a straight piece and the roof line. You can wipe these back if you want a lighter tone, or just allow that to dry. Then I'm going to take my white and I'm going to cover the house shape. Then my scored panel, just the front. My second coat, I did this pouncing motion, and this is going to give you a little bit better coverage. I'm going to allow everything to dry, and then I can start gluing my roof line to the top of the house. You don't need tons of glue. You want to line it up. And then hold for a few seconds. I'm going to glue this one panel down. You want to make sure that little jog is on the top, and you want to make sure that little tab at the bottom is exposed. So you want to line it up with the rest of the bottom, leaving that tab exposed. And you see the little groove at the top. And then you know you have it on correctly. You're going to want to put glue on this little piece of trim or the scored area where it's going to go, and this is going to cover that grooved area. Now I'm going to put glue on the tab, and I would also run the glue to the left and the right of the bottom of the house, and then hold it onto the stand. This may take a few seconds longer. And I just hit the top of the roof where I still see some of the white. These are two separate inserts. You can switch them out. One says home and one is for Valentine's Day, and it has the hearts. The first set, the home, I'm going to take the chocolate and hit the word home along with the E. The bottom portion of the house I'm going to hit with Republic Red. I'm going to mix Republic Red and white for the heart. Just going to make a pink. And then the roof line of the little house is going to be black. And then I'm going to take white and I'm going to do a coat on the main platform here. I just do one coat and then you can see all the scoring come through to apply all your parts. I'm going to allow everything to dry. And while that's drying, I'm going to do my second insert. And this is just different hearts. It's supposed to resemble candy hearts. So I'm going to take the black and mix a little bit of white to make a dark gray. And I'm going to cover the base. Then I'm going to add, I'm going to take some white and cover that heart that has the small heart in the center. Then I'm going to add some white to that gray and make it a little lighter gray and cover the larger heart with a light gray. Then I'm going to take Republic Red and white and mix that together to create this pink. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit more white and to make it even pinker, a lighter shade of pink for this last heart. I'm going to allow everything to dry, and I'm going to take a red Sharpie marker and fill in that small heart with the red. I'm going to put some glue down for the larger heart in the center. And you want to make sure that little tab at the bottom is showing at the bottom, because that's how you're going to insert it into your house, is that little tab. Then I'm going to take the white heart and glue it to the right side. You can see the scored area where it needs to go. I'm going to take the large heart and put it in the center. Again, you can see the scored area where it needs to go. And then I'm going to do the last heart all the way to the left. I'm going to take a white Sharpie marker, or you can get a white marker right at the Dollar Tree. And this is going to be the icing on the top of that large pink heart in the center. And I'm just following the scored area. I had to hit this twice. The white marker at Dollar Tree actually works better than the Sharpie marker, in my opinion. You can get a white and black Sharpie marker right at Dollar General as well, if you don't want to buy the entire set. So I'm going to go back to this home plaque, and I'm going to start adding the pieces. I'm going to start with the Republic Red portion of the house, then the roof line, and again you can see all the scoring where everything needs to go. I'm going to glue down the E, and I'm going to put the little heart in the center of the Republic Red portion of the house. Glue down the E. You only need, I just use dots of glue versus, you don't need a lot with these small pieces because they're so lightweight. And again, I'm going to put a few dots on the word home and add that. You can see the scoring. That's what's good about not doing a nice heavy coat of the white. You can still see it's good to be home. And that little tab is where you insert it into your house. So you can either insert the word home. And then for that Valentine's Day, you can switch it out with the candy hearts. And we do have other inserts available if you want to make extra purchases. I did take a white marker at the end and did some outlining. This is optional. This is the white marker from the Dollar Tree. And I just do broken lines and dots. I did fill in all the dots on the one heart that had the dotted scoring. I just added the white dots. I did dots on the scalloped edge of this particular heart all the way around. And then I did some broken lines on the small white heart and some dots. Then I took my home and outlined the house with some dots and broken lines. And this is just going to add interest to your project. There's no right or wrong. You can either copy where I'm putting these lines and dots, or you can do your own. I did a few dots on the H, the O, and the M. There you go. We'll see you next month. Thank you so much for your purchase.